Now, we'll talk about best practices. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, these tips and techniques will help you write cleaner, more efficient, and maintainable code. So, let's talk about naming conventions first. Clear and consistent naming makes your code easier to read and understand. In C#, use Pascal case for methods names and class names, like this process order method name. Use camel case for variable and parameter names, such as order count or customer ID. For constants, use uppercase letters with underscores, like max limit or pi. These conventions improve readability and align your code with industry standards. Now, let's talk about code organization. Good code organization is crucial for maintainability. Separate your classes into logical groups using namespaces and place related classes in the same folder structure. Keep methods short and focused, each performing a single responsibility. Use regions to collapse sections of code and improve navigation in large files. Like here, I have separated content of each section in separate classes. Just like this, separate all tasks of your program in separate classes to increase code readability. Now, let's talk about comments. While writing code, always remember to add meaningful comments, especially when multiple persons are working on same project. Comments help developers by providing them the summary of the code block. Like here, this method takes list of integers and returns the sum. I explained the working of this method in this comment so other person gets the idea about this method and its working. So, it would also help that person in debugging the code if any error occurs. Now, let's talk about proper exception handling. One common mistake many developers make is that they do not handle exceptions properly. Always wrap sensitive code in try-catch blocks and avoid leaving resources open by using statements. Like here, I've created a simple example of a database connection using the using statement and try-catch block. Using statement handles the memory and try-catch block handles the exceptions. This way, I also handled the memory and exceptions. Now, let's talk about when to use each class type. Each class type in C# serves a unique purpose. Use standard classes for general functionality, static classes for utility methods, and abstract classes when you need to enforce a contract with some shared logic. Interfaces are great for defining behavior across unrelated classes. Be thoughtful about which type best fits your design needs. That's all for this section.